Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I'm going to do question 23 from the Regents review. This question, it says determine the common difference of the arithmetic sequence in which A1 equals 3 and A sub 4 equals 15. So basically, we've got an arithmetic sequence here, and they've given us two terms. The very first term, or the initial term, A sub 1 is equal to 3. So that's saying the first term is equal to 3 and the fourth term is equal to 15. So we're going to use that information along with a formula. Now, just like in the last, one of the previous videos, I used the reference sheet. I'm going to be using the reference sheet again. But this time, the formula that I'm using is the arithmetic sequence formula. So it is right here. Let me circle this. So this is the arithmetic sequence formula. So I'm going to write this down on my iPad. It's A sub n equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So it's just the formula that they're giving you, and basically allows you to calculate any term if you know the common difference, and you know the initial term, and you can kind of use this formula to find whatever you need. So in this example, let's go back to the iPad. And let me clear the drawings because I don't need this now. All right, so here's the formula. Now, here are the things that they've given us. We know that A sub 1 equals 3. We also know that A sub 4 equals 15. And now we also know, because the fourth term is 15, we also know that n equals 4. So that's going to be this part right here. So here's what we know, and then we can figure out the common difference. So we can say A sub 4 equals A sub 1 plus n minus 1. And we're going to try to find the common difference, which is d. So this is something that you guys already know how to do because we've been using nsolve and storing. So that's basically all we're going to do. So the very first thing we're going to do, let me get the calculator set up, is, let me say, menu 15, get rid of this. So we're going to store 3, and we're going to store it into A1. So I'm just going to say A1. That's the variable that we're storing it in. And then we're going to take 15 and we're going to store that into A4. And we also know that n is 4. So we're going to store that into n. And now we have everything, we have all the variables stored, and now we can solve for d. So now we're just going to do menu 31. And we are going to key in this formula. So it's going to be A sub 4, because that's the term that we know, equals A sub 1 plus parentheses n minus 1 parentheses, and then we have d. That's what we're looking for. And then we're just going to say comma. It's going to be comma d. Now I want you to look at this again. If you look at this, notice that the A4, the A1, and the n are all bolded because we stored numbers in for those variables. Now all we're going to do is press enter, and it tells us that the common difference is also going to be 4. So that's our answer. So if we go back, you would say that A sub 4, well, actually not A sub 4, but that the common difference is equal to 4. That's it. That's it. That's all we're doing. We're just using that formula. And I guess to get full credit, the only thing that we would have to do is actually plug these numbers in instead of just storing them. And then if we have 4 minus 1 times d. So if we do this and then we come up with this, we should get 2 points for that. We plugged in the values and we solve for d. That's the answer. Okay, so I am going to make some videos on how to use InSolve with formulas. And one of the formulas that I'm going to be using is the arithmetic sequence. I'm also going to do one with the geometric sequence, and I'm also going to do one with the quadratic formula. So I'm going to link to those as soon as I get those done, but I'm going to stop this for now and post it.